Okay, so these are hydrochloric acid, hydriodic acid, hydrotelluric acid, and hydrogen iodide, not an acid. Now let's look at the set of rules. It's another set of rules for naming oxoacids. Sometimes oxoacids are called oxyacids with a Y in there instead of an O. And they contain hydrogen, some nonmetal, and some oxygen atoms. Most nonmetals form at least 2 oxoacids. The halogens form 4 oxoacids. So the names are related to the ions, so if you know the ions, those polyatomic ions, you can learn the acids pretty quickly. The oxoacids are named with the root name of the nonmetal followed by the suffix us or ic and the word acid. Us is the fewer oxygens, and remember we said that ite was the anion with fewer oxygens, and ic is the more oxygens, and ates were the anions with the more oxygens. So if you're trying to remember, I just say you ick up if you ate too much. Ic goes to ate and us goes to ite. So the us acids come from the ite ions and the ic acids come from the ate anions. Now, this is another place where it's just rote memorization. You have to practice and learn something. You can memorize the acids or you can memorize the ions. Since you've already started on the ions, we can use them for the acids. So if we look at this, here's the nitrogen pair. HNO3AQ is nitric acid. HNO2, fewer oxygens, is nitrous acid. Nitric acid, we take away the hydrogen, we get the nitrate ion. Nitrous gives us nitrite. Carbonic acid, carbonous acid. Carbonic gives us carbonate. Carbonous gives us carbonite. Now go ahead and just take a moment at your seats and fill this in. Name the acid and then tell me the ion that it forms, the formula and the charge for the ion it forms.